Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Trust Wallet application, or rather your Trust Wallet account, to your Quickswap Exchange platform on Trust Wallet, step by step. All right, let's get in. First of all, you're going to be opening up your Trust Wallet application like so. Do not forget, whenever you're opening up your Trust Wallet, you'll be met with a prompt to always input your passcode, which you have to do to gain access. Once that's done, we are going to be heading over to the D-app section, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. While we're there, we're going to be looking for Quickswap.exchange. The link is in the video description below. We click on it. The Quickswap Exchange is mostly on the Ethereum network. We're going to give it some time to load up. The site might be heavy depending on your network and the use and your data usage. You give it some time to load up. Right now, this is one of the best exchange platforms. You can exchange most tokens that are built on the Ethereum blockchain, the Polygon blockchain. But what we're going to be doing now is simply connecting our wallet, that's our Trust Wallet, to the Quickswap Exchange. And we can do that by simply clicking on the Connect Wallet like so. You click on Wallet Connect. You give it some time to load up. You click on Connect. You click on Connect again. And you're connected. As you could see here, it says connected to Quickswap.exchange. The address and the network is the Polygon network. Save and leave. And we're going to be going back here. Oh, it's giving us some trouble. You reload. You give it some time to load up. Most times it doesn't open up immediately, or rather it doesn't open up as fast as you'd want it to. That's because of the traffic on the website. And boom, our network is connected. If you could remember, our wallet is connected. If you could remember, we went through the steps of connecting our wallets to the Quickswap.exchange. So now we could simply exchange any of our tokens as much as we'd want and as much as we'd need. So yes guys, that's just it. That's how we connect our wallet to the Quickswap.exchange platform. Thank you for tuning in today. If you have any questions concerning how to connect your wallet to the Quickswap.exchange platform, comment down below and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.